From the pinnacle of mobile luxury, greetings. In 2026, the renowned luxury brand Rolls-Royce transports you to a new realm, the realm of road travel. Introducing the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome. By combining the iconic Rolls-Royce design with the massive size of a camper, it produces what looks to be an artwork from the outside. With its recognizable Pantheon grille and state-of-the-art laser lighting on each side, the Spirit of Ecstasy takes the lead. The sleek bodywork is finished with a bespoke two-tone paint job that reflects the sky or the landscape it passes over. Every component exudes elegance, from the exquisitely inlaid chrome accents to the hand-polished 24-inch alloy wheels. This engineering wonder produced this beauty. The Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2026 state-of-the-art 6.75-liter twin-turbo hybrid V12 engine generates an incredible 700 horsepower. Even on rough terrain, the 8-speed automatic transmission's unparalleled power and smoothness make every ride as smooth as a cloud. Modern adaptive suspension technology, which automatically adjusts to the driving conditions, ensures unparalleled comfort every mile. Instead of just being a control panel, the dashboard that welcomes you as soon as you walk in is a work of digital art. It has a panoramic OLED display that takes up nearly the entire width of the cabin and is constructed from hand-polished veneer wood or high-gloss carbon fiber. It has vital information displays, multi-zone climate management, and dynamic 3D holographic navigation. With its cool-to-the-touch metal accents, soft leather cushioning, and quick capacitive touch controls, the steering wheel is an even more sculpture-like piece. Time is a luxury that should be valued in a Rolls-Royce, and the custom-made Swiss analog clock in the center adds a touch of timeless elegance. Because of its always-changing landscape, the inside of a Rolls-Royce campervan is a stunning complement to any house. The completely reclining and rotating bespoke leather chairs allow you to relax in unparalleled comfort. A mood-appropriate ambience is created by the cabin's exquisite genuine wood paneling, polished metal embellishments, and adjustable LED ambient lighting. Even when there are outside traffic noises, a special soundproofing technique guarantees a library-like ambience. Large, electrically insulated panoramic windows allow you to enjoy views of the countryside without sacrificing privacy. Beautiful sliding doors lead to the master bedroom, a tranquil haven. A king-size bed with an ergonomic mattress ensures a restful night's sleep. The walls are decorated with wood paneling and soft silk drapes, and the muted lighting creates a calming effect. A concealed OLED TV that offers your personal entertainment will appear from the ceiling when a button is touched. A large closet and well-designed storage spaces keep your belongings tidy, while personal climate control ensures the perfect sleeping temperature. The bathroom of the Rolls-Royce Motorhome is a brilliant combination of design and utility. It has a contemporary ceramic toilet, 2 basins with gold-plated faucets, authentic Italian marble flooring, and a walk-in shower with a rain shower head and constant water pressure. The opulent experience is enhanced by anti-fog mirrors, adjustable lighting, and gleaming chrome embellishments. This is more than just a bathroom. It's your own spa wherever you go. Even the kitchen has been renovated to Rolls-Royce standards. A compact gourmet kitchen furnished with top-notch Sub-Zero and Wolf appliances. This includes a multi-burner induction cooktop, a built-in dishwasher, a convection oven microwave, and a full-size refrigerator and freezer. The countertops are constructed of polished quartz stone, and the custom cabinets offer enough storage. An integrated water dispenser provides clean, filtered water, and a small pantry may hold the required materials. This kitchen is designed to inspire you, whether you're preparing a quick meal or a gourmet feast.